ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। हरि ओम। A very warm welcome. Now all the issues are over. Parshuram ji took leave to Mahendrachala Parvata to continue his tapas, and now everything is fine. The celebrations have to start now. Tulsidas ji begins with that in today's our session. अति गह गहे बाजने बाजे सब ही मनोहर मंगल साजे जूथ जूथ मिली सुमुखी सुनयनी करही गान कल कोकिल बयनी सुख विदेह कर बरनी न जाई, जन्म दरिद्र मनहु निधि पाई, विगत त्रास भई सीय सुखारी, जनु विधु उदय चकोर कुमारी, जनक कीन्ह कौशिकहि प्रणामा, प्रभु प्रसाद धनु भंजे रामा, मोहि कृत कृत्य कीन्ह दुई भाई, अब जो उचित सो कहिय गोसाई, कह मुनि सुनु नर नाथ प्रबीना, रहा बिबाहु चाप आधीना, टूटती धनु भयउ बिबाहु, सुर नर नाम विदित सब काहू, तदपि जाई तुम करहु अब, जथा वंश व्यवहारु, भूज विप्रकुल वृद्ध गुर, वेद विदित आचारु, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। अति गह गहे बाजने बाजे, everywhere lot of kettle drums, musical instruments, everything started, everybody were expressing joy that all the troubles are over, now the celebrations will start. Sabai manohar mangal raje, everyone displayed their joy, their inner joy in, in charming and auspicious objects, giving to everyone, wearing beautiful dresses. Everybody wants to express their joy. Juta juta mili sumukhi sanayani. In groups, very many groups, all the women, very beautiful women got together. They all started singing melodious songs, beautiful songs related to the particular occasion. Karahi gana kala kokila bayani. In chorus, all of them in chorus, they all started singing. And they even resembled the notes of cuckoo bird, it is said. Cuckoo bird is a very, the sound it makes is very beautiful. I remember during our Sandipani Sadhanalaya days in Mumbai, every morning we used to walk from our, the rooms to the temple for Vedic chanting classes. At that time, it was so beautiful to listen to these cuckoo birds. They are communicating, cuckoo, cuckoo, like that. They used to kind of communicate. One would start and the other would respond. Again, this will continue and that also will continue. It was a beautiful experience we all had. Sukh videha kar barani na jai. Videha, Janaka's joy, barani na jai. It is beyond description. It was so, he was so happy. Remember, he was so much struggling, isn't it? When he saw so many Rajas unable to even lift the bow, now Ramchandraji came, he not only lifted the bow, he broke the bow. He was so delighted. Janma daridra manahu nidhi pai. It is as though there was a Janma daridra, a poor, utterly poor person from his birth. Suddenly, Nidhi Pai, he got a huge wealth. How would it be? So he was so happy. Vigata trasa bhai siya sukhari. Vigata trasa means without all those issues, no trouble, no pain, no suffering, no anxiety. Anxiety meaning what? Desperation, what is going to happen? Nothing. Bhai siya sukhari. Sitaji became extremely glad and delighted. Janu vidhu daya chakora kumari. Like how the Chakora Pakshi would be so delighted seeing the moon. And that too, what kind of Chakora Pakshi? Very young Chakora Pakshi. Oh, it was so very delighted seeing the moon. Similarly, Sitaji was so delighted seeing Ramchandraji. Janaka ki na kausika hi pranama. Now Janaka came near Vishwamitra ji and he prostrated in front of him. Prabhu prasada dhanu bhanje urama. Hey Guru, hey Prabhu, Prabhu prasada, it is only because of your blessings. All this has happened. It is only because of your grace, O Lord, that Ramchandraji, Rama could break the bow. Mohi krita kritya kinha duhu bai. And I am so, what do you call it? That word krita kritya, it has no right translation. The sense of gratitude he had. He expresses saying, the very purpose of my life is fulfilled as though my life is made. We all then generally tell others, oh, you made my day. He says, they both made his life. Not just day, his life itself. Ab jo uchita so kahiya so Gosai. Gosai, O Lord, my dear Guru, please tell me, O revered sir, what should I do next? Kahamuni sunu naranath Pravina. Hey Pravina. Pravina here means what? A glorious king. A glorious king. Sunu Naranatha. Naranatha, the king of human beings. A wise king. Pravina can also mean wise king. Raha bibahu chapa adhina. My dear king, my dear Janaka, the moment the bow got broken, that time itself Vivaha is already over. Huh? Yes. Why? You had set that bow as the, competition. In our local word, we say competition. The one who breaks the bow will get married to Sita is your sankalpa. The moment bow is broken, the sankalpa is fulfilled and their marriage actually is over in a manner of saying. Tutati dhanu bhayavu bibahu. Tutati, the very moment the bow is broken, marriage is over. Sura Nara Naga Bidita Sabakahu, and it is well known, everybody knows. Why? Now that is the talk of the town. Why talk of the town? Talk of the world, we may say. Isn't it? Everywhere, Sura, Nara, Naga, and then you add all the others, Kinnara, everybody you can add. All of them know the moment the bow was broken, Vivaha is over actually. The next is only formality. Tadapi jaitum akarahu ab. No doubt it is over. Nevertheless, now you go. And then, Jatha Vamsa Vyavaharu, as per the family tradition. Kula Vamsha, you have to perform that particular formality of the wedding. Bhuji Biprakula Vriddha Gura. Now, you go and consult all the important people. Who are they? Vipra. Vipra means Brahmanas. Kula Vriddha, all the old elderly generations of your Kula. And then own preceptor Shatananji is there. Therefore Gura, all of them you go and consult them. Veda Vidita Acharu. According to the Vedas, according to that which is prescribed in the Vedas, perform the marriage formally. And then Tulsidas continues. Duta avadha pura pathava hujai anahi nripada sarathahi bolai mudita ravu kahi bhalehi kripala पठये दूत बोलिते ही काला, बहुरी महाजन सकल बोलाये, आई सबनि सादर सिर नाये, हाट बाट मंदिर सुरबासा, नगर सवारहु चारिहु पासा, हर्षि चले निज निज गृह आये, पुनि परिचारक बोली पठाये, रचहु विचित्र बितान बनाई, सिर धरु बचन चले सचुपाई, पठये बोली गुनीति नाना, जे बितान विधि कुशल सुजाना, विधि बंदिति न कीन्ह आरंभा, बिरचे कनक कदली के खंबा, हरित मनिन के पत्र फल, पदुमराग के फूल, रचना देखी विचित्र अति, मनु बिरंचि कर भूल, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। दूत अवधपुर पटवहु जाई, send the fastest messenger to Ayodhya. See, even in Duta, there are varieties. Like in our, posts. You have ordinary post, then you have speed post, etc. So we have similarly, even in Dutas, regular Dutas, you just go and tell something and come within the city. Maybe one type of Duta. Then there is another type of Duta where they have to go to another city and then come back. And those days, it is all by horse. Nothing else, isn't it? Only through horses. And Dutas cannot go in elephants and things like that. It will take a lot of time. So horse was, at that time, prevalent, fastest mode of transport. They would go and come. To a farther place, there will always be a skilled messengers who can go in the speed of wind, as it is said. They would go in very fast. One of the best horses they would take and then go very fast. Duta Avadhapura Pathavah Jayi Anahi Nripa Dasaratha hi Bolai. Send the messengers and through them invite King Dasharatha and bring him here. So that all of them will be there for that formal wedding. Mudita Ravu kahi bhale hi kripala. Janaka immediately gladly responded, very well, sir, I will do it immediately. Pathaye duta bolite hi kala. Instantly, come here. And then he probably sent them to Ayodhya Nagari, Avadhapuri. Bahuri Mahajana Sakala Bolaye. Then he called all the leading citizens of the town, all the top level people, he called all of them. Some very important ministers and then Senapati, like that he called everybody. And then Ai Sabani Sadar Siranai, all of them came and all of them bowed before King Janaka. Hata bata mandira surabasa nagaru savarahu charihu pasa. Now all of you, he gave instructions to everybody. Go and decorate the entire city. Bazaars, streets, houses, temples, mandira. Hata bata, mandira has got 2-3 meanings actually. Mandira, what we know is temple. Otherwise, even the palaces were called mandira. And there are few other very important spots. It's also called mandira. Right? So, mandira, surabasa, decorate everywhere. Nagaru samarahu, in entire city, charihu pasa, in all 4 directions. Make sure you send the right appropriate people and everywhere it should be decorated. Harashi chale nija nija griha aaye. And all of them returned immediately, great of joy, returned to their homes. Very interesting. What will you understand? Nijagrihaye, all of them returned to their home. What did the Raja say? Go and decorate everywhere. Yes, sir. And they returned home. What does that mean? That is not the point here is, they did come home, tell everybody at home, and then along with them probably everybody went to, fulfill the desire of the Raja. Puni paricharaka boli pathai. Then he he called all his servants. Rachahu bichitra bitana banai. Now erect one of the best pavilions, best stadiums and best arrangements for the program. Siradhari bachana chale sachupai. They also bowed their head in acceptance and they started going to work for that. Pathaye boli guniti nanana. And now what did they do? Very interesting. They immediately went and consulted the skilled person in that particular field. And Jebitana Vidhi Kusala Sujana called those skilled people, and the skilled people also spoke to their workers. So like that, the entire city were involved in arranging for the marriage. Everybody were deeply and keenly involved. Bidhihi banditi nakinha arambam. They immediately started the work after performing or invoking Bidhi. Bidhi here means Brahmaji, creator Brahmaji. They performed their, worship to Brahmaji and started to work. Birache kanaka kadalake kambha. They made kanaka kadalake kambha. Kadali means plantain. Those are very, very traditional ways. Even today in wedding halls and all, they tie up this plantain, original plantain. But here, kanaka kadalike kambha. They made the plantain tree in gold. And it was, tied. So arrangements have started. Haritamanina ke patra phala. पदुमराग के फूल रचना देखी विचित्र अति मनु बिरंचि कर भूल. With leaves and fruits made out of emeralds. Padumarag ke phoola. All the flowers were made in rubies. Rachana ki vichitra ati. Seeing the most marvelous specimen of art. Manu Biranchikara Bhula. Creator himself was bewildered, we may say. He was so astonished. That was the way the arrangements had started. Now I would like to confess one thing. All these things, I think I am not capable of describing emeralds and rubies. We have nothing to do with that, you see. So, I may not be able to give that. It is a description, 2 full chaupais of description. Alright. So, what I am going to do is I am going to chant that chaupai and I am going to read the translation. Alright. So, you have to get the actual message, which is easier for me and it is easier for you also to understand. Okay, we will try that. Benu harita mani maya sabakinhe sarala saparaba parahi nahi chinhe kanaka kalita ahi beli banai lakhi nahi parai saparana suhai तेहि के रचि पचि बंध बनाये बिच बिच मुकुता दाम सुहाये मानिक मरकत कुलिस परोजा चीरी कोरी पचि रचे सरोजा किए भृंग बहुरंग बिहंगा गुंजहि कूजहि पवन प्रसंगा सुर प्रतिमा खंबन गढ़ी गाढ़ी मंगल द्रव्य लिए सब ठाड़ी चौके भांति अनेक पुराई सिंधुर मणिमय सहज सुहाई सौरभ पल्लव सुभग सुठी किए नीलमणि कोरी हेम बौर मरकत घवरी लसत पाटमय डोरी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. The 88th Chaupai and Doha. I will now read, okay. The bamboo sticks were made of emeralds. They were so straight and knotted that they could not be distinguished from real ones. Creepers known by the name of piper beetle. Beetle here means we all know that beetle nut and the leaves. And leaves actually, not the nut, leaves. Beetle leaves is a creeper. Very many of our houses also we have. Is it not? The leaves which are chewed in Bharata with arkanut parings, they have given it in the bracket, were artistically fashioned in gold and looked so charming with their leaves that they could not be marked as artificial. These creepers were intertwined into so many cords for holding the bamboos together with beautiful strings of pearls inserted here and there. After much cutting, carving and inlaying, they made lotuses of rubies, emeralds, diamonds and turquoises. They are fashioned bees and birds of varied varieties which buzzed and whistled in the rustling breeze. On the pillars, they sculptured images of gods, all standing with articles of good omen in their hands. Squares were drawn on the floor in various naturally charming devices and filled in with elephant pearls. The Doha says they made most lovingly mango leaves of graven sapphires, with blossoms of gold and bunches of emerald fruits glistening on silken cords. My God, I am sure now you will understand. It is difficult for me to explain all these things. These are actually indicators. These are, descriptions. Therefore, this much is good enough. I am sure you will understand what it is being told. Similarly is the next Chaupai, 289th Chaupai, which I will read now. Rache ruchira barabanda nivare manahu mano bhava phanda savare mangala kalasa aneka banaye ध्वज पताक पट चमर सुहाई दीप मनोहर मणिमय नाना जाई न बरनि विचित्र बिताना जेहि मंडप दुलहिनी बैदेहि सोबर नय असीमति कवि केहि दूलहु राम रूप गुण सागर शोभितानुतिह लोक उजागर जनक भवन कै शोभा जैसी गृह गृह प्रतिपुर देखिय तैसी जेहि तेरहुति तेहि समय निहारी तेहि लघु लगहि भुवन दस चारी जो संपदा नीच गृह सोहा, सो बिलोकि सुरनायक मोहा, बसई नगर जय लच्छि करी, कपट नारी बरबेशु, तेहि पुर कै शोभा कहत, सकुचहि सारद सेषु। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भय सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Again, I am going to read. They further made charming and excellent festoons. What is festoons? They are all the most decorative, beautiful bouquets and so many other things. Then some strings, some beads, torana like that, etc., etc. Festoons, which look like so many noses prepared as it were by Cupid. Cupid meaning what? Kamadeva. As though Kamadeva had prepared the entire place so beautifully. They also put up many auspicious vases as well as beautiful flags and banners, curtains and chowries. The marvelous pavilion, with a number of beautiful lamps consisting of brilliant gems, was beyond description. What poet has the wit whereby to describe the pavilion which is going to shelter Videha's daughter as the bride? The canopy which is going to hold Bhagavan Sri Rama, I added Bhagavan, Sri Rama, the ocean of beauty and perfection, as the bridegroom, must be the glory of all the three worlds. The splendor that belonged to King Janaka's palace was to be seen in every house of that city. To him who beheld Tirahuta, Tirahuta is Janaka's capital city. During that time, all the 14 worlds appeared of small account. 14 worlds, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam, and then the other direction, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, Patala. All the 14 worlds looked very small when compared to the particular city. The prosperity that reigned in the house of humblest citizen was enough to fascinate even the Lord of Celestials, Indradevata. The magnificence of the city wherein dwelt goddess Lakshmi in the charming disguise of a mortal woman maid. Who is that? Sita ji. Even Sharada and Sesha Bhagavan falter in describing it. I would never be able to describe this much also. Isn't it? In fact, all of us can understand very well. Even in our simple house, when such a great activity takes place, somebody, your daughter is getting married, how much we do, isn't it? We paint the house, refurbish all the equipments, and then redo all the furnitures, change all the curtains, etc., etc. So much we do. What to talk of Janaka Maharaj? And for Sita ji's Vivaha, words seldom explain. And now, in this period of time, you and I can't even imagine. Even mind cannot comprehend. That was the glory. Now the camera turns to Ayodhya, which we will take up tomorrow. Because now Janakapuri is over. Now we will shift to Ayodhya, tomorrow's session. Alright. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।